Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. It's Ron. We're in our lower shop today. Behind me I have a Toyota. I believe it's a Toyota. Yeah, Toyota RAV4. Forgot what kind of car it was. This one's been here for a little over a week. We had a lot of damage to this one. The insurance company originally wrote it up to replace the hood, bondo the roof, and bondo the whole side of this, the whole driver's side of it. It was blasted. We didn't think that was necessary. We wanted to do what was best for the vehicle and for our customers since they just purchased this. I mean, literally just bought it and then it got hailed on. So you had the adjuster from the insurance company come out. We went over everything, what we wanted to do, the money that we needed to get it done. And he sat here for about 3 hours trying to manipulate things and get it all worked out. And boom, he did. Everything's great. The guys have been working on the car. They're gonna get it done. And I'm gonna take you in here and show you exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it and how much damage was on this. A lot of it's already fixed. So I'll show you some before pictures of when it first came in, some still pictures, and then show you what they're doing back here right now. So what Scott and Mark are doing here, they're working on this quarter panel. This quarter panel probably had how many dents, Mark?
300 or 400.
Probably 300 or 400 dents just in this little section of metal right here. He's fixed everything that he can with his tools, accessing through this tail light here. And now he's using what's called a glue pulling method, and he's pulling these dents up with these little things called glue tabs. And they're also doing this to this rail. This roof rail up here is all sealed off, so Scott's working on the front here. And he's doing the same thing. He's started at the back and worked forward a little bit, and now he's gotten out of Mark's way and he's working from the front to the back. And just to kind of give you an idea of how many dents were in this thing, if you look at all this metal trim here that's all dented up, that's the same thing that was up here before they started, and the roof was just as bad. There wasn't a square inch of flat metal on this car anywhere. The last thing that we're going to do on this will be these two doors, and we'll probably remove these doors from the car and put them up on stands and then repair them that way. Now most body shops, if they got this in, they would look at the insurance paperwork and go with exactly what the insurance company said to do. They would have bonded this thing up. And in Texas, the heat and bondo and black paint, they all really don't mix too well. You'll end up seeing areas where there's bondo patches, it'll shrink. And then if you look at it real close, you'll see all the imperfections in it. And it never looks like, we get cars in that have been bondoed up from previous hailstorms, and they look horrible. We always try to get what's the best repair for the vehicle and for our customers for long term, not something just to get them in and out quick, but we want something that's gonna last and never have to worry about it coming back or ever have to worry about having an issue with bondo cracking or anything like that. It doesn't matter if the shop gives you a lifetime warranty. It's the hassle of having to constantly come back because something's wrong. That's it for now, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some value out of this. If you want to come down to the shop, we're at 2450 Babcock Road. We'll get you in and get you taken care of. This is Ron with Concourse Auto Salon. Hope to see you soon.